from the computer. Start the computer and engage the BIOS. Use the right arrow key to select the configuration menu. Then select Power and press Enter. Then select Disable Built-in Battery and press Enter. Confirm that Yes is selected and press Enter to power down the system. Place the unit upside down. Remove 7 screws from the bottom of the chassis. Turn the system over and open the cover. Carefully unsnap the keyboard bezel assembly around the edges. Disconnect the cable from the system board. Connect the keyboard cable to the system board. Align the keyboard bezel assembly to the chassis. Carefully press down along the edges to snap the bezel securely into place. Close the cover and turn the system over. Install 7 screws into the bottom of the chassis. Connect the power supply cable to the computer. Turn on the computer to automatically enable the battery.